In an enchanting realm where the impossible blends seamlessly with the everyday live two radiant souls, Khushi and Reva. These sisters, bound by their shared laughter, dreams, and an extraordinary pet peacock, were the heart of this magical land. Their parents, a compassionate healer mother and a hard-working, successful father, were the guiding lights casting a warm glow on their lives. Khushi, the elder of the two, was an embodiment of her name, which means happiness. She radiated joy, her laughter echoing through the valleys and her spirit as vibrant as the plumage of their pet peacock. Reva, the younger one, stood for a star. She was a thinker, a dreamer, her eyes reflecting the twinkle of the night sky. Now, in the heart of Hindu philosophy, there lies a potent shloka, a verse that holds profound wisdom. Karmanya vadikaraste phaleshu kadachana, it says, which translates to, "You have the right to perform your prescribed duties, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your actions." This shloka, drawn from the Bhagavad Gita, is a guiding beacon for those grappling with failure. In our story, Khushi and Reva were to face a challenge that would test their resolve and their understanding of this shloka. A terrible drought had hit their magical land, withering their father's crops, their primary source of sustenance. The sisters saw their father's ceaseless efforts, his sweat-soaked brow, and yet the rains refused to grace the parched earth. Khushi, always the optimist, maintained her sunny demeanor, working tirelessly alongside their father. Reva, however, was disheartened. The sight of the barren fields weighed heavily on her young heart. One day their mother, the healer, shared the wisdom of the shloka with them. She explained that their father's efforts were not in vain, even if the rains were yet to come. The shloka taught them to detach from the outcome and focus on their actions, their duty. It was a lesson in perseverance, resilience, and the power of unattached action. Inspired by this wisdom, Reva found her spirit rekindled. The sisters, hand in hand, continued to support their father, their efforts echoing the essence of the shloka. And then, one day, the skies opened up, showering their land with life-giving rain. In the end, Khushi and Reva learned a priceless lesson. They understood that failure was not a reflection of their efforts, but a part of the journey. They realized that their duty was to act, to strive without being attached to the outcome. Through the wisdom of the shloka, they learned to overcome failure, to find joy in their actions, and to shine brightly, just like their names, Happiness and Star. And that, dear listeners, is the moral of our story, that the true victory lies not in the fruit of our actions, but in the actions themselves. It is a lesson we all can imbibe, a beacon to guide us when we face the storms of failure. After all, we are all stars, destined to shine, irrespective of the darkness around us.